Speedography dictation exercise 56, 80 words per minute, 5 minutes. Madam, the Sports Ministry has recently issued certain guidelines to the national federations. Most of these guidelines are good and positive, and some need review. For various schemes, for coaching camps, for national meets, the government is giving not rupees 10,000 as before, but rupees 50,000. It is good. All the international meets organized by the sports federations are going to be well funded. Formerly, the government was giving rupees 1 lakh. Now they are giving rupees 5 lakhs. These are all very good steps. But what surprised me is the selection of teams. This definitely is the responsibility of the national federations. Yes, the government is giving money for various coaching camps, and also the federation. They can definitely put one representative of the government in the selection committee of the national federations. But unfortunately, what the guidelines are doing as far as the selection of the team is concerned is that in the entire selection committee they propose to have only one member of the federation. Only the president of the federation will be on the selection committee. Who are the other members? One will be the representative of the government in the form of sports authority. One will be the representative of the government coming from Arjun Award winners. One will be chosen by the government from the Olympic Association. Another member nominated by the Sports Ministry. So, in a committee of 5 or 6, only one member is the national coach, again who has been there from the national federation. How can this position be accepted by the national federations? I think there is a need for dialogue between the federation and the government. The government of India has been kind enough, the Prime Minister is kind enough to increase the budget for sports manifold. I think the government and the national federations have a duty to see how this money is spent. I think it is very exciting time. But out of 5 or 6 members, only one will be from the national federation. There must be a dialogue. There is need for the government to invite suggestions. They asked for the suggestions of the national federations, but after that the Sports Ministry has unilaterally issued guidelines without consulting the national federation. I think this is not in the interest of sports. there is need to review the selection of teams for coaching camps in consultation with them.
अगर आपको हमारा डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगता है, पसंद आता है, तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, जिससे कि आने वाला नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिल सके।